Hello everyone and welcome to Coinmarketcap Global YouTube channel. Today I'll show you guys Coinmarketcap's Learn and Earn system. But before we move on to our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to see more videos like this. And we actually have a video for you guys. We talked about Coinmarketcap's diamond collecting system and we gave a referral link in that video for you to create your Coinmarketcap account. We will also give a referral link for you guys in the description box below for this video so you can create your Coinmarketcap account. And after you create your account, let's start our Learn and Earn segment. So we've opened our Coinmarketcap and as you see it says Learn, and under the Learn segment it says Earn. We have to click on Earn. After we click on Earn, as you see there are different projects and different events that you can attend and you can make money. For example, for this fund you earn near protocol. For this fund you earn only one's native token like, and for this one you gain perp. And this one will be Oasis network Rose, and we'll be talking about how to get Rose tokens if you win in this event. So let's click on Earn Rose. And as you see, there are different types of information videos for you guys. So normally you should watch each one of these videos and learn about Rose token. And at the end of these videos, as you see, there's a quiz and you have to take the quiz and answer the questions. And if you answer all of the questions right, and if you're lucky enough to win in this, there will be a draw. And if you end up being one of the winners of that of this contest, you will get Rose tokens as a reward, and you don't have to do anything after you watch this video. Take the quiz and answer the questions right. You don't have to do anything. If you're lucky enough to win, your rewards will be sent to your wallet automatically. So let's just jump on to our quiz part. So after we clicked take the quiz, as you see there's different options. There's two options we can click. If you click on this start button, you may have problems, because when you click on this start button, at the end of it you don't get a confirmation message and you don't take the quiz with this start button. You have to click this one, and let's just click on this one. So now let's start our quiz. We have to verify that we are human. We have to agree with Coinmarketcap's terms and conditions, and we have to provide the email address associated with your Coinmarketcap account. So you have to type down the email that you created your Coinmarketcap account with. So this is important. Don't write any other mails. You just have to type in the Gmail or email address you have that you created your Coinmarketcap account with. And we have to provide our Binance user ID. When you click on here, it tells you how to find your user ID on Binance. And we also have a Binance tutorial video for you guys, so you can check that video out to learn how you can use Binance and how to find your user ID. And after we provided our Binance user ID, let's get on to our quiz questions. So for the first question, what is the Oasis protocol? It's a scalable layer 1 blockchain that can expand DeFi beyond early adopters into mass market adoption. So let's just choose this one. So the next question is, why is Oasis ideal for DeFi? It's all of the above. All of these options are the reasons why the Oasis is ideal for DeFi. Rose token capped at 10 billion. What is the Rose token used for? Staking and securing the safety of the network. What is Uniswap? It's the first DEX built by community developers on Oasis. Who are some of the backers of the 200 million Oasis ecosystem fund? All of these investment capitals are backers of the 200 million Oasis ecosystem fund, so we have to click on all of the above. What do Oasis privacy preserving features facilitate? For this question we have to click on confidential computation and defense against MEV to bring DeFi to the mainstream market. What is Emerald? It's an EVM compatible paradigm. After we answered all the questions right, we have to create our own Rose wallet by clicking this link, and we have to paste our address. So let's just jump on to this step. So after we created our link, we have to create a new wallet by clicking create wallet. So in this step, we have to save our key phrases to a notebook or to a text file in order to save our wallet. After we saved our key phrases, we click on I saved my key phrase and we say open my wallet. And in this step, we have to enter our key phrases in the right order to prove that we've said all these words and we're ready to go. And after we choose our key phrases in the right order, we can click on open my wallet. And after clicking on open my wallet, as you see, it gave us our wallet address, so we can copy this and paste it on our quiz. So we've pasted our wallet address in this blank, so we can move on. And for the final step, we have to add Oasis network to our public watch list in Coinmarketcap. So let's just click on coinmarketcap.com watch list. add coins, and you should type rows, and we have to add Oasis network to our Coinmarketcap public watch list. So as you can see here in my public watch list, I added Oasis network to my watch list, and now we have to share this watch list link in our quiz. So there's this share button. If we click on it, it gives us this link. We have to copy this link and we have to paste it on this right here. And after we paste it, we can submit our quiz. After completing the CAPTCHA test, we have to click on submit form. We've completed all the steps, and if we're lucky enough to win, our rewards will be sent to our wallet automatically. You don't have to do anything from now on. If you watch the video and if you've done the step in the exact order we did, you don't have to do anything else. You just have to wait, and if you're lucky enough to win, your rewards will be sent to your wallet automatically. So this pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to see more videos like this. We also have a video for you guys to show you how you can create your CoinGecko account and collect candies to get free rewards as NFTs and different products for free. I suggest you to check that video out. And also don't forget to check out our social media accounts to get the news as fast as possible. Till next time, see you guys in the next video.